Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to block someone on a YouTube channel, or at least hide them from your channel so they can't leave like spammy comments or anything like that anymore if you have an issue with spam or someone's just being rude or annoying. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is head over to your YouTube Studio application and open that up. And then once you're on the studio and logged into your account, you just want to click on the three lines in the top left corner, and then you just want to go to comments just to see any comments that you deem unnecessary. So I'm just going to click on a random one here. And then all you want to do is click on the three lines on the comment that you're interested in either blocking the channel on or deleting. So you just want to click on the three lines. And then as you can see, the third option says hide user from channel. So if you wanted to hide the user from your channel, this is exactly how you would do it on your phone. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.